Okay, good afternoon to everybody. Today we'll start a third part of differential equation of first order and first degree. In our previous two lectures, we have solved differential equations of first order and first degree by using variable separable method. And in second lecture, we have solved the homogeneous or reducible to homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree. And in this third lecture, today we'll start with how to solve the linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Okay, so this is the third lecture of first order and first degree differential equation. So first of all, what is the linear differential equation? Okay, a differential equation of the form dy dx plus y into px equals to q of x, where p and q are the function of x only or constant. Remember that the coefficient of y and the right hand side will be what? Function of x or constant. Then these types of differential equation will be called what? Linear differential equation. Now, for example, what will be the linear differential equation? Suppose, for example, suppose we have a differential equation like this: dy dx plus thrice xy equals to sin x. Actually, this is a linear differential equation because the coefficient of y here p equals to what? Thrice x, and q equals to what? Sin x. Remember that p and q are the function of x only. Okay, this is, and it will be actually similar to the standard form of linear differential equation of first order and first degree. So it is obviously called what? Linear differential equation of first order and first degree. But remember that suppose I have a differential equation like this: plus thrice x y square equals to sin x. Actually, it is not linear because we have y multiply y. That means y is the dependent variable here and x is the independent variable. So they are multiplied of another independent variable. This is why it is not linear. Okay, because here y square term, for this y square term, it is not linear differential. That means it's not comparable to our standard form of linear differential equation of first order and first degree. Okay, this is why this y square term make it non-linear. Remember this. Now, what will be the integrating factor? Integrating factor. Another important definition for you. What will be the integrating factor? Integrating factor. Integrating factor or IF. Okay. Integrating factor. What will be the integrating factor? Okay. Suppose this is our equation, first equation number 1. Now, if we multiply, now if we multiply, e to the power p dx, actually e to the power p dx. Okay, if we multiply this with the 1, with this linear differential equation of first order and first degree, then it will become integrable. Then it will be integrable such factor is called integrating factor. Integrating factor or IF, remember it. So what will be the integrating factor? So if we multiply e to the power coefficient of y, coefficient of what? E to the power integration of coefficient of y dx with respect to x, and after multiplying with this standard form of differential equations, then it will become integrable. Such factor is called integrating factor. Okay, such factor is called integrating factor. Such factor is called what? Integrating factor. Integrating factor. Then the equation 1 can be written as this equation 1 can be written as d dx of y integrating factor. Integrating factor what? This p dx, p of x dx. Okay, this equals to q of x into integrating factor. Integrating factor p of x dx. That means this equation can be written as like this. Now integrating on both sides, we can write p of x dx. Dx will be deducted, then q of x integrating factor. Okay, integrating on both sides, we get this one, this. That means the procedure of this whole, that means we can write as a standard form. What will be the solution? Solution can be written as this is the solution, okay, this is the solution of this differential equation. Now this solution can be written as y into integrating factor. Y into what will be? Integrating factor. Then integration q of x into integrating factor. Okay, dx plus c. So this is the standard form of the solution of the differential equation of this type. Okay, understand everybody? Understand everybody?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is required solution of the differential equation.
So video
एक मिनट दाঁড়াও। এটা ক্যামেরা অ্যাডজাস্ট করতে সমস্যা হচ্ছে। Now let us try to solve this linear differential equation by using the integrating factor method. Okay, this is the given differential equation. Now we have to make it as a standard form. uh, the given differential equation, the given differential equation can be written as dy dx minus x divided by 1 minus x square to y equals to 1 by 1 minus x square. Can you write? Just dividing by 1 minus x square on both sides. Okay, dividing by 1 minus x square on both sides. Actually here p equals to what? Coefficient of x. Okay, x divided by coefficient of y, and q equals to what? 1 divided by 1 minus x square. Actually pq are the function of x only. Okay, this is why it is linear, which is what? Which is linear form, as p q are the function of x. Okay, function of x. Now integrating factor, what will be integrating factor? Integrating factor will be e to the power integral sign of p x dx. Okay, now integration p equals to what here? X divided by 1 minus x square dx. Now integration of x divided by 1 minus x square, what will be? What will be the formula? Actually minus coefficient of y, what? Minus x divided by 1 minus x square. So this integration will be actually if we take 1 minus x square equals to z, suppose z equals to what? Z equals to what? 1 minus x square. Then dz what will be? Dz minus twice x dx. So minus x dx half dz. Okay, half dz equals to what will be? Minus x dx. So the integration can be written as what? Minus twice x dz means what? Half dz. Okay, 1 by z minus half 1 by z dz. That means what? E to the power half 1 by z formula whole integration of 1 by z, what will be? Ln z. Okay, that means half will be become half will be what? Power. So ln z square. That means it will be z square only. Now z equals to what? Z equals to 1 minus x square whole square. So integrating factor what? 1 minus, sorry, this will be not z square, this will be z to the power half. Z to the power half means what? Root over z. Okay, so it will be root over 1 minus x square. Now hence the solution, the required solution is what? Y into integrating factor. Integrating factor equals to what will be? Q of x, integration of q of x and integrating factor dx, or y into integrating factor what? Root over 1 minus x square. Q of x what? 1 by 1 minus x square. Integrating factor what? Root over 1 minus x square dx. this equals to y into root over minus x square. Integration of this, what will be root over 1 minus x? 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx, or y 1 minus x square equals to what will be? This is the formula. What will be the formula? Sin inverse x plus c. Actually, this is the result. This is the required solution of the differential equation, linear differential equation. Okay, now another example, similar example. Example 2, we have to solve x dy dx plus twice y equals to x square log x. Now this given differential equation can be written as dy dx, just dividing by x on both sides. Okay, we get the standard form of linear differential equation of the first order and first degree, because here only single dependent variable and single independent variable. This is why it is order, first degree, and the first derivative differential coefficient. This is why first order. Now we get the coefficient of what? P. Coefficient of y is the P, and right hand side will be Q, x log x. So which is linear form as P and Q. P and Q are the what? Q are the function of x only. This is why integrating factor will be what? Integrating factor will be integration P, what will be twice x 2 by x dx. So this can be written as e to the power 1 by x formula what? 1 by x formula log x. Okay, log x. So this can be written as e log x square. That means e log will be removed x square. So integrating factor will be what? Only x square. Hence the required solution will be y into integrating factor equals to q of x and integrating factor in of dx, or y integrating factor will be x square and q of x what? X log x, and integrating factor will be x square dx. So we get x cube log x dx. Okay. Now how we can solve this? We can take a constant here c1, or c will be the integral constant. So this will be what? UV process. We have to, that means log x will be u and x cube will be b. So u into integration of will be what? Square dx minus ddx of log x what? 1 by x, and integration of b, again integration, plus c. So log x x4 by 4 minus 1 by x x4 by 4 plus c. So we get 1 by 4 x4 log x minus, this will be what? 1 by 4 x cube dx plus c. So the required solution can be written as y x square equals to 1 by 4 x4 log x minus 1 by 4. This will be what? X4 by 4. Okay, plus c. This will be equal to. Therefore, y equals to, we get dividing by x square on both sides. We get easily c minus 1 by 4 x square log x minus 1 by 16 x square. This is the result, or required solution of the given differential equation. Now another example, same example of 3. solve x cube minus x into dy dx minus 3x square minus 1 into y equals to x to the power 5 minus twice x cube plus x. Now actually we have to rearrange this given differential equation uh, with a linear form. How we can make it linear form? Just dividing by this x cube minus x on both sides. Okay, so we can write uh, dividing by x cube minus x on both sides. We can write what will be dy dx plus minus 3 thrice x square minus 1 divided by x cube minus x into y equals to x5 minus twice x cube plus x divided by what will be x cube minus x. Actually here p equals to what? P equals to coefficient of what? Coefficient of y thrice x square minus 1 divided by x cube minus x. But y q equals to what will be? Q equals to x5 minus twice x cube plus x divided by x cube minus x. But this can be simplified. How? Just taking common here x, and we can take common x easily. X common and x square minus 1, x square minus 1 whole square. Okay, x square minus 1 into x. So x will be cancelled and only single x square minus 1 will be exist. So q equals to can be written as x square minus 1 and p equals to this. So integrating factor can be calculated as like this. Integrating factor will be p equals to what? Thrice x square minus 1 divided by x cube minus x dx. Remember this, the differentiation of denominator equals to numerator. Okay, so integrating factor will be ln x cube minus x. Okay, ln x cube minus x. But here coefficient, remember it, there will be a minus in coefficient, minus. So we have to take another minus here. So minus ln this. So this can be written as e to the power ln x cube minus x to the power minus 1. That means 1 by x cube minus x will be the integrating factor. So the required solution can be written as y into integrating factor equals to q. Q means what? This, and integrating factor into dx. So y integrating factor will be what? 1 by x square x cube minus x, and q equals to what? Q equals to only x square minus 1 divided by x cube minus x plus c. So we can write easily this equals to y divided by x cube minus x equals to, and here x square minus 1 will be cancelled, so only 1 by x dx plus c. Okay, 1 by x plus c. Now 1 by x integration what will be? What will be? Log x plus c. Therefore y equals to what will be? Multiplying by x cube minus x on both sides plus, this is the required solution of the given differential equation. Very easy. Okay, now another example for solve x dy dx plus twice y equals to 10 cube x by 2. Now this given differential equation can be written as like this. Actually we have to divide by sin x on both sides. So dividing by sin x on both sides, we can write 2 divided by sin x into y equals to, after division we can write 10 cube x by 2 divided by only sin x. So this is actually which is linear form, where p equals to what? P equals to 2 by sin x, and q equals to what? 10 cube x by 2 divided by sin x. Okay, which is linear, form, since p and q are the function of x only. Okay, now integrating factor, what will be integrating factor? E to the power integration of p dx. P dx equals to integration of p, what will be 2 by sin x dx. 2 by sin x dx. Now this can be written as e to the power 1 by sin x formula, what? Cosec x dx. E to the power 2 cosec x dx formula, what? Cosec x formula log what? Log 10x by 2. Remember it. Cosec x formula will be what? Log 10x by 2. Now this can be written as e to the power log 10 square x by 2, because power 2 will become power after log. So e log will be removed, then we get only 10 square x by 2. Now the required solution of the given differential equation will be what? Y into integrating factor equals to q of x, integration of q of x and integrating factor with respect to x, or y integration factor, what? Integrating factor, what will be? 10 square x by 2 integration q of x, what? 10 cube x by 2 divided by sin x. Integrating factor will be 10 square x by 2 dx plus what will be c. So therefore y 10 square x by 2 equals to, this can be written as integration of 10 cube and 10 to the power 5 10 to the power 4 x by 2 and single 10x by 2 divided by this can be written as half into 2 sin a cos a formula, what? 2 into sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dx plus c. This integration, sin 10x by 10 means what? Sin x sin by cos. So sin will be cancelled and this will be cos square. So 10 to the power 4 x by 2, and first of all we have to take half in left hand side. Then this means what? Sin by cos, and this will become 1 by sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, dx plus c. This equals to sin will be cancelled and cos means what? Sec square x by 2 dx plus c. Now after this line we can write half, sorry, this will be y 10 square x by 2 equals to half integration of put t 10 x by 2 equals to z. So dz what will be? Sec square x by 2 tan x by 2 equals to z. So dz what will be? Dz tan x formula what? Sec square x half sec square x by 2 dx. Okay, half will be what? Multiplying with the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x what? Half. In differentiation, we have to multiply with the coefficient. So this can be written as z to the power 4 and half sec square x by 2 dx will be what will be? Only dz. Understand everybody? Plus c. So this half will be removed because half sec square x dx means what? Half sec square x dx means what? Dz. And tan x by 2 means z. So z to the power dz plus c. So we get only z to the power 5 divided by 5 plus c. So 1 by 5, z to the power 5 means what? 10 to the power 5 x by 2 plus c. Therefore, this is the y tan square x by 2 equals to. Okay. Therefore, so y equals to what will be? Just dividing by tan square x by 2 on both sides. Or this will be the result. This is the result of this given differential equation. Very easy for you. Okay, now another example 5. If, this is the example from some outline series, the writer Frank Iris, example 2, and in our lecture, example 5. So we have to solve x dy dx equals to y plus x cube plus thrice x square minus twice x. So this given differential equation can be written as dy dx dividing by x on both sides and alternating y. We get 1 by x y equals to x square divided by x on both sides. You can write x cube will become x square and 3x can become 3x and minus twice x become only minus 2. So this is the actually linear form because here p equals to what? P equals to coefficient of y what? Minus 1 by x and q equals to right hand side. So the p and q are the function of x only. This is why the given differential equation is linear form. Now obviously we can take integrating factor will be what? E to the power integration of p with respect to x. So p equals to what? Minus 1 by x. 1 by x formula what? ln x in integration. So this minus will be become power after ln x to the power minus 1. So ln will be removed. We get only x to the power minus 1. So integrating factor will be what? 1 by x only. Now the required solution will be what? Y into integrating factor equals to right hand side q of x integrating multiply integrating factor and this integration. So the y integrating factor 1 by x q what will be x square plus thrice x minus 2 and integrating factor 1 by x dx. So this integration is very easy for you. Just dividing by x on both sides, dividing by n, dividing by x. We can write x plus 3 minus 2 by x dx. Okay. So this integration will be what? Plus c. We have to use plus c. Remember it. X square by 2 plus thrice x minus 1 by x formula what? ln x plus c. Therefore, y into 1 by x equals to this. Now multiplying by 2 twice x on both sides, we get twice y equals to what will be? Multiplying by multiplying by twice x on both sides, we get x cube plus 6 x square minus 4x ln x plus cx. Okay, this is the recurrent result. If all are c1 here. Okay, and twice c1 means only c. This is the recurrent solution of the integral differential equation. Now another example from some outline series, writer Frank Iris, example 3. Sorry, example 4. So we have to solve dy dx plus y cot x equals to 5 into e to the power cos x. This given differential equation is actually linear form because coefficient of y, that means p cot x, and right hand side q, and both are function of x only. So this is why this given differential equation is linear form, and we can find the integrating factor e to the power integration of p dx. P means what? Cot x. Okay, so cot x integration what will be? Cot x integration, do you know what will be the integration of cot x? Actually ln sin x, ln sin x. So eln will be removed, only sin x will be the integrating factor. So the integrating factor will be only what? Sin x. So the required solution of the given differential equation will be y integrating factor equals to q of x integrating factor into dx plus c1. So y integrating factor only sin x. This qx what? 5 e to the power cos x sin x dx plus c1. Now integration what will be? Cos x we have to take cos x equals to z. Cos x equals to z. Suppose put cos z equals to what? Cos x. So dz what will be? Minus sin x dx. So minus dz equals to what will be? Sin x dx. So you can find 5 into sin x dx equals to minus dz t to the power z dz plus c1. So minus 5 e to the power z formula what? E to the power z integration plus c1. So minus 5 e to the power z, just putting the value of original z plus c y sin x equals to this. This is the required solution. Suppose we have some initial condition like this. Suppose we have some initial condition y pi by 2 equals to minus 4. Okay, we are given what? Y of x equals to minus 4. Now if this given this is the initial value problem, this is called equal initial value problem. Okay, so in that case we have to put it in equation 1. Now if x equals to pi by 2, then y equals to what? Minus 4. From this, if x equals to pi by 2, then y equals to what? Minus 4. So from equation 1, from equation 1, how we can write? Just putting x equals to pi by 2, y sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 equals to minus 5 e to the power cos pi by 2 plus c. Y equals to what? Y equals to what? Minus 4. So minus 4 into 1. Minus 4 into 1. Sin 90 degree what? Only 1. Equals to minus 5 e to the power cos 90 degree equals to what? 0. So e to the power 0. E to the power 0 means what? Only 1. Okay. So from this c equals to what we get? From this c equals to 1. So therefore putting c equals to 1 in equation 1. Therefore the required the particular solution y sin x equals to minus 5 e to the power cos x plus what? 1. This is called particular solution. and equation 1 is called general solution. After removing constant by assigning the given initial conditions, we get the particular solution, and this is particular solution, and this equation number 1 is called general solution. From our first lecture, we must know that the definition of different solution, what is general solution and what is particular solution. So particular solution will be what? If we get the value of constant, then the whole solution will be called particular solution. If we cannot find the value of constant, then the solution containing this constant will be called general solution. So after assigning the initial values, we get the particular solution of the given differential equation. So this is the result. Okay, now another example 7. It is also initial value problem of first order and first degree differential equation. dy dx plus twice y tan x equals to sin x. Y pi by 3 equals to 0. That means if x equals to pi by 3, then y equals to what? 0. So we have to find out the particular solution and general solution. So the given differential equation can be written as like this, just same. Here p equals to twice tan x and q equals to sin x. That means coefficient of y is p and right hand side is q. So p q are the function of x only. So this is why it is linear form. So integrating factor will be what? E to the power p in x. That means e to the power p equals to what? Twice tan x dx. Now tan x integration what will be? Tan x integration integration will be minus 2 log cos x. Remember it, tan x integration will be log minus log cos x. So this can be written as e to the power log cos to the power minus 2. So e log will be removed. So 1 by cos square x. That means we get only sec square x. So sec square x will be the integrating factor. So the required solution will be what? Y into integrating factor equals to q of x integrating factor dx plus c1. So therefore, putting integrating factor equals to what? Sec square x equals to q of x will be only sin x into sec square x dx plus c1. Therefore, y sec square x equals to, this is actually 1 by cos x. Sin x cos x means what? Tan x, and another 1 by cos x means sec x. So sec x tan x plus c1. Therefore, y sec square x equals to will be, this integration what will be only sec x plus c. This is equation number 1. This is the required general solution. Remember it. This is the general. Now, as you now imposing the initial values of the given initial values. If x equals to pi by 3, pi by 3 means what? 60 degree. Then y equals to what will be? 0. So from 1, from equation 1, 0 into sec square pi by 3 equals to sec pi by 3 plus c. Therefore, this will become c equals to what will be? Sec pi by 3 means what? Sec 60 degree. Sec 60 degree means what? 1 by cos 60 degree, half. So we get sec 60 degree means what? Only 2. And c equals to what will be? Minus 2. So putting c equals to minus 2 in equation 1. So y sec square x equals to sec x minus 2. This is the required, which is required particular solution, which is required particular solution, and it is general solution. Remember it, general. This is general solution, and this is particular solution. Very easy. Now another interesting example, in which example the equation becomes linear when x is treated as dependent variable. That means it will become linear if we assume x as a dependent variable and y will be what? Independent variable. This that given differential equation, and this given differential equation can be written as dx dy equals to 1 by 1 plus y square into x. So this will be plus x equals to p equals to what? 1 by 1 plus y square, and q equals to what will be? Tan inverse y 1 plus y square. Remember that p and q are the function of y only. That means function of dependent variable, which is linear form for p and q are the function of function of y. But here x is dependent variable. Dependent
স্যার কথাটা কিছু বোঝা যাচ্ছে না স্যার, কথাটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না।
Here, which is linear form because p and q are the function of y only. And here remember this, in this example x will become dependent variable and y become what? Independent variable. Okay, y become independent variable. So in that case integrator factor will be what? Integrator factor will be e to the power integration p dy. P dy, you have to remember this because y independent variable here. P 1 by 1 plus y square dy. 1 by 1 plus y square formula what? Tan inverse y. Okay, e to the power tan inverse y. This is the integrating factor. Now the required solution is y, sorry, x into integrating factor. X will be the dependent variable. X integrating factor equals to integration of q y integrating factor dy plus c. Now, how we can integrate this? e to the power minus tan inverse y. This is the result. This is the answer. This is the required solution of the given differential equation where x become dependent variable and y independent variable. Remember.